Hey, what up, y'all? Welcome back to another Pimp My Style, Pimp My Style 6. And in this round, I got a chance to pimp the big homie Aizer style. And honestly, this is a style I've been waiting to do because it's a mixture between old school funk, new school flavor, and just a whole lot of doing whatever the fuck you want. So here's the first lines, and let's get right to it. Okay, so now I'm adding the yellow fill-in the middle, and this is where I realized that I might get lost doing this yellow on top of yellow. So I decided to drop in a quick black outline to keep me on track.
Well, brother Rust, I can see you've put a lot of hard work into this. Let me break this down. First thing that stands out to me is how you have positioned the letters at different angles. I think in particular the S with leaning back and then kicking back is definitely something I would do. As for the T as well and the E, I think that's a really good balance. Looking at some individual parts that I would definitely have done is the PMS6. I think the T and how it's cut with the little chips cut out of the letters, the individual arrow is something I do. Looking at the outside as well, I think definitely like the wobbly cloud with the little like bubbles or parts, as well as the stripes in 2s and 3s. I think you've really paid attention to how I do things. Looking at the overall like flow of it, leaning back and kicking in at the same time, there's a definite balance to this. Everything's on the right level with each other. I think there's like 4 or 5 different levels, and it has a really good symmetry to it, a very good balance. I think you've done an excellent job, brother. I know you've been sick, but you've come through once again, and there's definite improvement with how you're heading, man. For sure. This is a really good one, Rust. I want to say thank you, brother. Dope work. Well done.